Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two top-notch dash cams that promise to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam, and on the right, we have the SUVCON dash cam. Let the showdown begin. When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams pack a punch. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam boasts a high-performance Novatech chipset and a Sony sensor, delivering smooth 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. Meanwhile, the SUVCON dash cam features a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera, a 150 degrees cabin camera, and a 150 degrees waterproof rear camera. Both cameras offer exceptional video quality, so you won't miss a single detail on the road. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Galphi dash cam features an impressive f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring excellent color precision and clarity even in low light conditions. But wait, there's more. It also comes with 4 infrared lights facing the cabin, perfect for capturing the driver and passengers even in complete darkness. It's a dream come true for rideshare drivers like Uber and Lyft. On the other hand, the SUVCON dash cam also offers clearer night vision thanks to its interior-facing camera with 4 infrared LED lights. It's like having a mini spotlight inside your car. No more worrying about recording important footage in the dark. Let's talk about some of the additional features that make these dash cams stand out. The Galphi dash cam is equipped with a gravity shock sensor, which automatically saves collision footage as protected files. Plus, it has a loop recording function that overwrites the oldest unprotected files when the SD card is full. Talk about convenience. Meanwhile, the SUVCON dash cam comes with a built-in G sensor that activates emergency recording and locks the recorded videos when it detects sudden shakes or collisions. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car. Last but not least, let's discuss installation. The Galphi dash cam wins in terms of hidden design and ease of installation. Its unique compact design won't obstruct your view or distract you while driving. Plus, the rear camera installation is a breeze, no need to remove the reversing light. Just connect it with the front lens and you're good to go. On the other hand, the SUVCON dash cam is also a breeze to install. It's a plug-and-play device, making it super convenient. No complicated setup processes here. Both the Galphi 3-channel dash cam and the SUVCON dash cam have received positive reviews from customers. The Galphi dash cam is praised for its versatile video quality and infrared night vision capabilities, while the SUVCON dash cam stands out with its wide-angle video and spotlight-like night vision. In terms of additional features, the Galphi dash cam offers convenience with its gravity shock sensor and loop recording function, while the SUVCON dash cam provides a sense of security with its built-in G sensor. When it comes to installation, the Galphi dash cam wins with its hidden design and easy rear camera installation, while the SUVCON dash cam is a plug-and-play device, making it hassle-free to set up. And there you have it, folks. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam and the SUVCON dash cam have shown us what they're made of. Both offer impressive video quality, night vision capabilities, and additional features that ensure your safety on the road. It's a tough call, but ultimately the decision comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Remember, always do your research and compare products before making a purchase. That's what Buy Smart is all about. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.